So today we're going to be going over how to change the oil in a Raptor 125. This is one of the more simple maintenance procedures you can do. All you really need to do this is a 10mm socket, a 17mm socket also, a funnel, your oil, and the jack stands to put the car up in the air, or an actual stand specifically for ATVs. More specifically with the oil, we're going to be using 10W40 Valvoline motorcycle oil. All you really need is a good 4-stroke fully synthetic oil, so any brand of your choice should work. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do in order to change the oil is put the actual ATV itself up in the air, as we've done here. This is definitely a two-man job, so I wouldn't recommend fighting with this if you can't have a second person help you. But once you have it up in the air, the first thing we're really going to need to do is go in and remove the drain, or the fill plug itself, which is right here. Just unscrews like this, and then underneath there is a protective tray that guards the underside that just has 4 10mm bolts in it. So we're gonna go ahead and pull that out real quick. All right, so all we've gone ahead and done is taken off this protective tray underneath that just has the 10mm sockets right here, 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 and here. So all you gotta do is pull those out and this will come right off. Once you have that off, we're gonna go ahead down to the side of the vehicle here, and this gold or bronze bolt right here is what the actual drain plug is. So what we're gonna do is go in with a 17mm socket and just slowly back it off and then let the oil drain out into the pan itself. We're just going to go ahead and reinstall the drain bolt with that 17mm socket, and then go ahead to the other side to fill the oil back up. Alright, so now that we have the drain bolt reinstalled on the other side, all you're going to need is a funnel to fill the oil on this side. We didn't have one small enough, so you can always use a firm piece of poster card or something and just put it into a cone and set it up. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and fill it now. This ATV calls for 1.5 quarts, so that's what we're going to give it. Alright, so now that we have put our 1.5 quarts in, all we're going to do is just reinstall this fill plug right here and then take it off of the jack stands and we're good to go. Alright, so the last thing you're going to have to do is just reinstall this under tray if you decide to take it off in order to try and keep it a little cleaner. So again, all we have to do for that is reinstall the 4 10mm sockets.